everyone. Welcome to the HZ English Pod with Liam and Sophie. Today, we're learning something very useful: how to talk about yourself in English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophie. I'm so happy to learn today.
Great! And hello to all our listeners. Today's topic is introductions: how to say who you are, where you're from, and a little about yourself.
That's exciting. I always wanted to introduce myself in English.
Perfect. Let's start. And listeners, we'll speak slowly and clearly. You can repeat after us.
Great job, everyone.
Part 1. Saying your name. Let's begin with your name. You can say, "My name is Liam."
My name is Sophie.
Great! You can also say, "I'm Liam," or "I am Liam."
So I can say, I'm Sophie, or my name is Sophie.
Exactly. Let's say them together. My name is, pause, I'm, pause.
Great job, everyone.
Part 2. Saying where you're from. Now, let's talk about where you're from. Say, "I'm from Brazil," or "I'm from Japan."
I'm from England.
Very nice. Your turn, listeners. Say, "I'm from," and your country. Part 3. Saying your age. Next is your age. You can say, "I'm 25 years old."
I'm 18 years old.
Perfect. Let's say it together. I'm blank years old. Part 4. Talking about what you do. Let's talk about what you do. Say, "I'm a student," or "I'm a teacher."
I'm a student.
Great! You can also say, "I'm looking for a job," or "I'm retired."
So many options.
Yes! Let's repeat. I'm a and your job. Part 5. Saying your hobbies. Now, hobbies, things you like to do. Say, "I like reading," or "I like music."
I like reading books.
That's perfect. Let's help everyone practice. Repeat. I like, pause.
Now, let's talk about family. You can say, "I have one brother," or "I live with my parents."
I have one brother and one sister.
Great. Let's repeat. I have and your family members. You can also say, "My mother's name is Sarah," or "My father's name is John." Let's talk about your favorite things. Say, "My favorite color is blue," or "My favorite food is pizza."
My favorite color is pink.
Great choice. Let's repeat. My favorite is blank. Sophie, let's try a full introduction. My name is Liam. I'm from Canada. I'm 30 years old. I'm an English teacher. I like reading and traveling. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite food is pasta.
Okay. My name is Sophie. I'm from England. I'm 18 years old. I'm a student. I like reading and music. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite color is pink.
That was amazing, Sophie. Listeners, now it's your turn. Take your time and use this structure. Number 1. My name is. Number 2. I'm from. Number 3. I'm years old. Number 4. I'm a. Number 5. I like. Number 6. I have. Number 7. My favorite is blank.
Great job, everyone.
You just introduced yourself in English. That's a big step.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We'll see you next time on the HZ English Pod with Liam and Sophie.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.